Hi everybody, this is Dream Design Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to open up a file in Photoshop with a transparent background. So as you can see, typically when you open up a Photoshop file, it has a white background, but if you want to start with a transparent background, this is how you do it. So you go to File, New, and then you go to, you can change the width, height, all of this stuff, and then you can go to here, and then instead of white, black color, you just go transparent. So click that, and it's really that simple. So then you hit create, and then you're starting with this background. And let's say that you wanted to mix in, two things, combine two things. You can do that here, and you can tell that it's transparent because it has a checkerboard background versus a white. So we'll come over here and let me just close this, and I'll drag in this avocado. So we'll put it here maybe. And then, let's say that you wanted to pair some font with it, some text. So we'll go Dream Design Tutorials, and we'll put that in the middle here. And then we will go File, Export as PNG, and then we'll put that on the desktop, and then hit Save. So that's loading, that's exporting. And then as you can see right here, when you open this up as a PNG, there's no background. So, that's how you start with a transparent background, and then that's how you, combine two things and export it together. And yeah, so that's a quick tutorial. And feel free to give me a follow and hit the like button if you like this video. I do a lot of tutorials in Adobe Suite. So if you like this, then I might have other videos that you might like as well. All right, thank you for watching.